So dear student, now our next topic is thinking about time and historical period. Time and historical period is divided by the historian into different ways according to their own thinking. Like British historian divide the past on the basis of a religion that was mostly present in India. They have divided into three parts. First was the Hindu, because most important religion in ancient India was Hindu. That's why they have divided history based on our religion, Hindu. And second, they have divided, that is Muslim. So Hindu divided into Hindu. Second, they have divided into Muslim because they believe that after the Hinduism, Islam came to our country in the medieval period, and they started to rule over India. In many parts of the country, the Muslim rulers used to rule our country. However, after that, the British came to our country. So we do not say the Christianity, they say the British. So according to the historian of European historians, the period of the Indian history is divided into Hinduism, then Muslim, and third is British. In contrast, the Indian historians do not believe in this. According to them, the religion is not the part of dividing the periods. According to them, the Indian history is divided into three parts: ancient, medieval, and modern history. So this is the period. In 1000 years, the society of the subcontinent were transferred often and economic in several of the several regions reached a level of prosperity that attracted the interaction of European trading companies. As you read in this book, look out a sign of change and the historian process at work. Also, whenever you can try and compare the two that you read in this book with what you read last year. Look out the changes and continuity wherever you can, and look at the world around you to see what has the change or remained the same. That means what you find today. You have read last year class 6 book. You understand what were the religious beliefs. You have learned this year what are the new beliefs. According to Indian historians, I would like to tell you what are the three. That is ancient, medieval, and modern history. So these are the beliefs of European and these are the beliefs of Indian historians. Now what you believes? What is your beliefs? Observe the nature. Observe around you. What is happening? What type of beliefs you have? As you have seen in class 6, you have learned this year in class 7, and analyze yourselves that what are the changes that keep on going in your society. So thank you very much. This chapter is over, and in next class I will meet you for the civics. Thank you. Bye.